I have to wait 5 seconds because I got my Tech. And the Tech, man, let me tell you, it makes this camera sound like a pro. Oh yeah. Man, that took a long time to start up. So I have a Rode Wireless Go, and I'm, doing my research once again. Hey, I'm Fish. Thank you very much for joining the show with me. Oh yeah, we're talking about wireless mics. What would you get? And I want to hear what is good for me. Which mic is out there that you think I would love? I am looking again for a microphone. And I own a wireless Go from Rode. And the Rode, let me tell you, I love it. Great microphone, got it when it first came out. And my on and off button of the transmitter, it's just not the best in the world. It just seems to have issues every time you try to turn it off or even turn it on. It sucks, man. Is it a micro switch that you just press? You hold it for a good 3 seconds. It's supposed to shut off or on. Man, you can hold it and 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 hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. You ain't gonna turn on or off. And then there are times it just turns off and on without a hitch. I don't get it. Rode admits that that was a flaw, an issue in the first generation that they made. So, let me tell you, I want to get another Rode, right? But I'm not sure if I should get that newest one, the latest one that came out, the Rode ME. The Rode ME costs $150. Well, the original Rode cost, I think it was 200, almost 300 bucks at the time. I can't remember the actual price. It was way expensive. And hesitate to buy something so expensive and you expect it to work forever and be the best mic in the world. So man, let me tell you, I say $150 is the cheaper mic. It's gonna work. It should be better than the original Rode. Probably got the same on and off button. And it doesn't have an internal audio at all. But it's got the application, iOS and Droid. You could do a lot of different things with it. Oh yeah, man, let me tell you. One thing, you're got on a cold shoe. You got that mic on a cold shoe, right? Let me get nice and close so you can understand. What do I got that is rectangular square in my pocket? Here we go. You got it on a cold shoe like this. Where is the window that you can see the lights? Facing up to the sky. So you got to look down at the actual unit. Wouldn't you want it forward so you could say, oh, look, I can see the bars going this way, that way. I can see the bars, man. That's the way the mic would go. So I'm saying the Rode Wireless Go, the ME, how about the Go 2? Well, I know they make the Go 2, one transmitter, one receiver, rather than one receiver and two transmitters. I don't need two. You don't need to put two on to get stereo sound. One will get you the stereo sound. It may not have omnidirectional sound to pick up stereo. It's only got one mic. They all got one mic. And they're wide off to the left and right track. Oh, let me do that again. The left and right track, depending on how you're looking at your camera. This over here is my left. This over here is my right. Because I'm filming looking at you. And that's what you're seeing. Don't get me wrong. Well, the microphone's over here, so this will really be my left, and this will really be my right. We call it the military left and right. So, yeah, man, the Go-To 1-in-1 offers you internal for $200, $50 more. Is the Go-To better than the ME? Take away the sound, the internal audio. Is it the same exact mic? So then why are you spending that extra $50 for something that you can get the ME, which is the same? DJI, you're supposed to be off and then to turn on instant. I don't know why and what happened, if I must have touched the back screen by accident. So we have the Rode Go, the Rode ME, and the Rode Go-To. Those are the three microphones. Now, I'm probably going to go with the Go-To in white and be $200. But what else do we have out there? We have the DJI. Now, DJI makes one specifically for the Action 2. And then they make the single transmitter and receiver for $209. And it doesn't come with the wireless charging case. I didn't mention that with the Rode. The Rode you have to buy, you can get the wireless charging cases, not a problem on any of them. And they basically, it is what it is, man. But on the DJI, the single one receiver and transmitter, right? That mic should be good. Now, on the DJI, the $329 one, two-person one with the wireless charging case, you tell me, is that better than the Rode? You can look forward, you can see the actual, the monitor looking, right? But I'm not sure if you could reverse the clip 360. You get the USB-C, you get the lightning connections to plug in. Not on the Rode you got a wire. So I can't see justifying spending $329 for the DJI wireless mic and having two mics or charging case, USB-C lightning cable. I'm not even sure if you get a TRS adapter and you get the all the leads and everything. You get a lot with the DJI, but that's a lot of money for a microphone. And it's been out for well over a year or two. And let me tell you, they gotta be coming out with another one soon. So, what would you get? I don't know, man. I'm just like, I don't want to get another El Cheapo one. They're going to do the job. You can spend 30, 40, maybe $50, and they will do the job just as good. No? Why? I'm using one. This is $12.99 one, because that's the clearance seal of this wireless mic. I spent $30. Does a great job. And people love it. I don't know if you love it. I said my piece. Any wireless mic you got, it's got to be better than any internal sound that you're recording. This is the best sound in the world, right here. Everything's best on a smartphone, they say. Well, I got a camera, and that's what I use. And I hope you enjoyed this talk about a mic, what I want to get, what you should tell me what I should get. There's so many out there. There are just like 20 different off-brand microphones. And you got the popular ones, Rode and DJI. Who else is very popular? Ulanzi, small rig. And they are, in there, but do they compete with DJI and Rode? Post down below what wireless mic you use. Movu? Ulanzi? Small rig? Saramonic. I could go on and on and on. I could go and get the names and remember them and all, but you know. Anyway, I'm done for the day. I did my talk. Mr. Siegel, how's it going there, buddy? Everything fine with you? What microphone would you use?